Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 4, how to solve linear functions graphically and algebraically. Okay, what that means, we're going to solve the linear functions by using graph and at the same time by using the calculation as well. Okay, let's see the question. A line has a point located at -3 and +5, and then 4. And the a, we don't know this point is how much. We don't know this value here. Okay, so we're looking for the value of a if the slope is -2. All right, so we know the slope. We know a point. We can pretty much graph the functions. We don't need to worry about these things. Okay, let's do that. So we have -3, +5. We just go -3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here, +5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 here. Okay, and then we have a slope equal to -2. Slope equal to -2, which is we going what? Going down by 2 and then going right by 1, right? Going right by 1, down by 2, which is this point here. Okay, I will using this 2 point to draw a line. Okay. Okay, because I need to be accurate in these questions, so I pause the video and then draws a line by myself. Okay, so this is a straight line. We cross this red dot, cross this red dot, and then we draw a horizontal line, right? And then we're looking for a value here, right? So it's a +4. So this point have a x value +4. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the x value is here. So if with the y value is how much? Let's see if we're looking for this point here. We got a point here, okay? So this point has x value equal to 4. Then what's y value? So which is equal to -9 here. Make sense? So the y value of this point is -9. That means the a must be -9. Thus, we solve them by graphing the line and then use the graphically to show the a is how much. Okay, let's see the algebraically. These two things supposedly come with the same answer. If it's not, that means you're doing something wrong. All right, so let's how to find the slope here. The slope is we can using any one subtract, right? We can use a minus 5 over what? Over 4 minus -3. 4 minus -3, which is equal to -2. Okay, the slope is -2. Okay, so a minus 5 going to equal to 4 minus -3, which is +7 equal to -2. Okay, and then so a minus 5 equal to -14, and then a equal to -9. There we go. We got a equal to -9, a equal to -9. So we prove ourselves by using graphically and then algebraically. We got the same answer. That means we're doing them right. Make sense? All right, let's see next one. So we got another point, A3. We don't know this point. And then we got this point, 2, 9. Now we got value of slope. What value of the slope equal to 3 over 5. Okay, same thing, right? We go 2 to the right, 9 on the top, which is 2, 9 will be something in here, this point. Okay, and then the slope is 3 and 5. Okay, so we got a little bit of problem here. We got too much on the top. Okay, we got too much on the top. This really there's no box here. Then what do we do? Okay, so the slope is when x go run by 5, go rise by 3, right? So if x backward by 5, the y value is supposed to be down by 3, right? Make sense? So if we are going backward 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so the y value is supposed to be down by 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that. And then we draw a line. So we got a line here, right? We draw a line like that. Okay, after these lines, we're going to find out the other point. Okay, so the other point is A3. So x value we don't know. The y value is 3. So we're looking for y value here, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're looking for the x value, which is something here, this point. Okay, the corresponding x value is supposed to be equal to -8. Okay, that's -8. So we got a equal to -8. This is by solving them graphically. Okay, how to see if we graph using the algebraically solutions? Then we're still using the same thing, right? Y minus y, x minus x. So it'll be 9 minus 3 over a minus 2 minus a, sorry, 2 minus a, which is equal to 3 over 5 here. And then we got 6 over 2 minus a equal to 3 over 5. Then you can use cross multiply. What means cross multiply? Cross multiply if you have two fractions equal to each other's, and then this one times this one equal to this one times this one. Okay, I am a little surprised. A lot of my students don't know these issues here. Okay, this is supposed to be very commonly known. Okay, so you only working if there's equal sign in the middle. If the plus sign, do not do that. Okay, you have the common denominator if there's a plus sign. Only you can cross multiply if there's equal sign in the middle. Okay, then 6 times 5 equal to 30. Then 3 times 2 minus a. So 3 times 2 minus a. So 30 equal to 6 minus 3a. Okay, if we're moving the 3a to the other side, and then moving 30 to the other side here, will be 6 minus 30, 3a equal to negative 24, and then a equal to negative 8. Now we got exactly the same answers algebraically to find a, and then graphically from find a. Okay, so you can use both ways. Normally, algebraic way is way easier than graphic. Okay, so it depends. Sometimes the question asks you both. Okay, so I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer your questions in my next videos. Thank you for watching.